Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft and another beautiful airplane to tell you about today. She's a 1997 A36 Turbo-Normalized. Yes, the Tornado Alley Whirlwind 3 system. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engine. Only 214 on the engine since Ram major overhaul by Tornado Alley Turbo. Yes, we've got their Turbo-GAMI fuel injectors. And check out your prop, only 54 hours since brand new. So let me brag a little bit about the Tornado Alley Turbo-Normalized system. Faster speeds down low, more efficient. We've got sea level power up to 18,000, 20,000 feet. Check this out, Vortex generators, and we've got the 20-gallon DeShannon tip tanks. The exterior of this A36 is stunning. Matterhorn white with black and silver metallic stripes. Beautiful condition. 1,900 hours total time on the airframe since new. Of course, we have the large double cargo doors we love about the A36. Useful load for this airplane, 1268, and it has the 4,000-pound gross weight. Now the seating configuration, oh, the interior is gorgeous. We'll take a look in a minute. The seats can be turned around. Everyone can face each other like this in the executive seating, club configuration, or everybody can face forward. And if we need to remove a seat, it's just not a problem at all because we don't need any tools. All we need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, I can remove the seats, and we are good to go. So come on in and check out the interior with me. Overall in very good condition. Beautiful gray leather seats, gray carpet. Look at this table, it's in great condition. Beautiful sidewalls with black trim, headliners in great shape. 6-place intercom system, also 6-place oxygen and factory air conditioning. So let's check out the flight deck. You will enjoy a Garmin G600 EFIS glass panel. We have a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS, XM weather on board, BFG WX950 Stormscope. Your number 2 Navcom, it's a King KX165 Navcom with glide slope. We also have a King DME on board with Nav 1 and 2 switching. Your transponder, it's a Garmin GTX 330 ES with ADS-B out. We have a KFC 150 Autopilot integrated to the 600. We have altitude and vertical speed pre-select and King yaw damp. Other features you will appreciate: Tannis engine preheater, Tornado Alley Turbo Whirlwind 3 system, Osborne tip tanks, factory air conditioning, Turbo-GAMI fuel injectors, standby altitude, airspeed, and ADI, synthetic vision, dual flight controls with co-pilot brakes, Rosen sun visors, Rammer 2 intercooler, flight charts and safe taxi, JPI engine display, and so much more. So this beautiful 1997 A36, she's looking for a new home. That fabulous Tornado Alley Turbo-Normalized engine, love it. We have faster speeds down low, we are more efficient. We can go to flight level 180 or even 200 with sea level power. We do have oxygen on board, Vortex generators, great interior, and check out the paint. She is not gonna last. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. If you're interested, come and see us right away. Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We've got the logbooks, no damage history. She's a winner. Please come see us and take a test drive. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Beeler. Thank you so much for watching.